Welcome to the guide for installation, commissioning and operation of a FDD arc detection device. Before starting, disconnect the power and wear insulated gloves and protective goggles. We'll need the following tools: wire strippers, crimping pliers, wires that meet the required specifications, terminals, an electric screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter. In the beginning of the installation, carefully read the user manual, confirm that the breaker parameters and requirements meet the preset working conditions, and select a proper installation position. Installation tips. First, align the upper end of the circuit breaker with the upper edge of the DIN rail. Then gently pressing down on the lower edge. If it is necessary to disassemble the AFDD, use a screwdriver to loosen the buckle at the lower end. Lift the lower end of the circuit breaker to separate it from the guide rail, and then lift it upward to remove it. Before starting wiring, select wires with appropriate cross sections according to the rated current of the product. Use a wire stripper to carefully remove 11-13 mm of insulation from the copper conductor to expose the proper length. Then use a crimping tool to firmly crimp the terminals, ensuring a reliable connection. Finally, it is recommended to tighten the wiring with an electric screwdriver, set to the specified torque value to ensure stable and safe connections. Please operate in accordance with the instruction manual or product label, and correctly connect the input terminal and output terminal. When connecting the AFDD to the junction box, operate strictly in accordance with the electrical wiring diagram to ensure that each wiring point is connected correctly and firmly. During the wiring process, be sure to comply with local electrical regulations and standards. Before power on, check whether the handle operates smoothly without obstruction. After power on, use a multimeter to perform an on-off test on the circuit breaker to confirm its normal operation. When the circuit breaker is open, the voltage between the input terminal and the neutral line is approximately 230 volts, and the voltage between the output terminal and the neutral line is lower than 20 volts. After closing, the voltage between the output terminal and the neutral line is approximately 230 volts. And after opening again, the voltage will drop to below 20 volts. Press the test button, and the AFDD will automatically trip, indicating that the AFDD is operating normal. If you run into any problems, check the troubleshooting guide. It covers common issues like the breaker not switching on or tripping too often, and offers tips on how to fix them. For more information, visit console.com or get in touch with us on social media.